Okay guys, this is year 2024. As usual, 31st of May is the last day of the state level Kdca exhibition, and I'm inside the car park. While the edge of the car park are all the stalls and rented stalls, but the remaining car park are all reserved for VIPs, ministers, their bodyguards. Okay. And of course there's a RTM occupying a bulk of the car park, and gen set day, there's for the transmission of the news, distance day, companies, and still a few more reserves here for the VIP. Okay. There's a few reserved car park there. Okay. One day, I don't know which VIP is going to be reserved. There's a car park. There's the people wearing traditional dress, and the reserve, a police reserve, and a sony there, and a big chunk reserved for the police. Well, obviously they're looking after the security, especially when the Prime Minister and all the TYT are all present in this festival. Yes, this car park here is all reserved for the VIPs. So the other people have to fight for car park outside, edge of the roads, and some have rented the private land for $20 the whole day. Seems to be operated by outside the foreigners who are renting out the spaces for car park. While inside, of course, is for the commercial and the VIP. So that's it, folks. This is what is the atmosphere feels like in the Kdca this year, just like in the past. And this is the with external stage of the Sabah VFM, but boring shows really. Okay, this is the Sabah VFM radio.